Okay, there were several characters that really stood out as helping Forrest to progress to his independence, but I think the two that stand out the most to me are his mama and Jenny. His mama definitely, wanted him to be in a classroom with the average student, and she wanted him to get an education just like everybody else. She didn't want him to be put, in a classroom where they wouldn't teach him like she thought he needed to be taught. So she wanted him to be as independent as possible. So she was definitely the major influence into helping him with that freedom and that independence. And Jenny was his motivation for everything. He did anything he could to show Jenny that he loved her. He would do whatever Jenny asked of him. And Jenny was his first real friend and helped him to progress, with relationships with other people. And so she was definitely one of those that, helped him, again, work towards that independence that he had and that we see all throughout the film.